Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have discussed about the transcription in eukaryotes and the difference between transcription in case of prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss about the term genetic code, codons and anticodons. Okay, so let us see first codon and anticodon. Then we will discuss about the genetic code and the genetic code dictionary. Let us see. Suppose that this is the mRNA sequence. That mRNA sequence contains the 4 types of nitrogenous bases. When you will draw mRNA, you will put the first 3 nitrogenous bases, that is always A, U and G, because it is known as initiation codons. Codons I will explain later. So let us see, this is AUG, and after AUG you can write any base except you don't write hanging. Okay, so A, C, G, again A, G, G, R, A, C, G. Okay? So let us see these are nitrogenous bases that present on mRNA. This is the mRNA having polarity 3 to 5 to 3. Okay? And what are codons and what are anticodons? First of all, you have to know. So for the anticodon, codon anticodon, you have to draw the tRNA also. Suppose that this is the tRNA. This is the tRNA in front of the letter AUG. You know the structure of tRNA, it is already explained. Okay, it is the clover leaf model structure having 3' to 5' polarity. This is the 5', this is the 3' OH. This is the tRNA. Okay, this tRNA, this loop is known as anticodon loop. This loop is known as anticodon loop, and this is known as the acceptor part, acceptor R. Various terms are already over. Okay, let us see. This anticodon loop contains the bases that is complementary to the bases present on mRNA. Here you know RNA in the RNA, A always pairs with U, uracil. U always pairs with A, and G always pairs with C. UAC. So what are codons? A triplet of nitrogen bases present on mRNA and codes a particular amino acid known as codon. Suppose that these 3 bases known as codon 1, because in the polypeptide chain this AUG codes methionine. Okay, this is the codon 2, this is codon 3, this is codon 4. So total how many codons here? 4. One codon is equal to 3 nitrogenous bases, that is known as the code is triplet. Okay, so what are codons? A triplet, or you can say a group of 3 nitrogenous bases present on mRNA and codes a particular amino acid known as codons. For example, AUG always codes methionine in the protein. This second one will code the second amino acid, the third codon will code the third amino acid, and fourth codon will code the fourth amino acid. So once again, what are codons? A group of 3 nitrogenous bases, or you can say the triplet of nitrogenous bases present on mRNA and codes a particular amino acid known as the codons. And what are anticodons? A triplet of 3 nitrogenous bases present on anticodon loop of tRNA. Anticodon loop of tRNA and complementary to the codons present on mRNA is known as the anticodon. So this UAC represents anticodon because this represents on the tRNA and complementary to the codon present on mRNA. So here how many codons? 4 codons. Anticodon 1. So once again, what are anticodons? A group of 3 nitrogen bases present on anticodon loop of tRNA and complementary to the bases, as can say codons present on mRNA, known as anticodon. Okay, let us see what is genetic code. You know, one codon will give how many amino acids? One codon will give one amino acid. Okay, and second codon will give the second amino acid. Third will give third, and fourth will give 4. So total a chain of peptide will synthesize, and that protein contains how many amino acids? 4. Okay. So what do you mean by the term genetic code? Suppose that after the translation, this codon will give amino acid 1. You know the first is always methionine, and this codon will give the second amino acid, represented by, for example, amino acid 2 AA2, and this codon will give the third amino acid, that is AA3 after translation, and this codon will give the fourth amino acid, that is AA4 after translation. So what is genetic code? The relationship between the nitrogen species present on mRNA and the sequence of amino acid in the polypeptide chain. This is the protein, or you can say polypeptide chain. What is genetic code? The relationship between the codons present on mRNA and the sequence of amino acids present on polypeptide chain is known as genetic code. Okay. Once again, what is genetic code? The relationship between the codons, or you can say nitrogen species present on mRNA and the sequence of amino acids present in the protein is known as genetic code. Okay. Let us see. Earlier it was believed that only one base codes only one amino acid. Okay, and you know during protein synthesis total 20 amino acids are required for the protein synthesis. Okay, earlier it was believed that only one base is equal to one amino acid. For example, that is known as the code is singlet. So in singlet code 1 into 4. Singlet code. That means suppose that UACZ. Okay. So this it will code one amino acid. It will code the second amino acid. This base. It will code the third amino acid. And it will code the fourth amino acid. So total only 4 amino acid. Only 4 amino acid coded, the remaining 16 amino acid become uncoded. So the idea of singlet was not accepted. Later on, the idea of duplet came. Duplet means 2 bases codes 1 amino acid. Suppose that you will make the Punnett square for this. Suppose that, okay, 2 bases code 1 amino acid. That is known as the duplet. Suppose that this is the UCAG. Again UCAG. When you make the Punnett square, you will find that this is the U and U. This is U and C. And this is U and A. This is U and G. Here, this is C and U. This is C and C. This is C and A. This is C and G. Okay, third one, it is A and U, A and C, A and A, and last one A and G. Next one, that is last one. Okay. So when the code is duplet, so here the G and U, again G and C, G and A, G and G. So when the code is duplet, only 16 amino acid coded. Again, the 4 amino acid become non-coded. So the idea of duplet was not accepted again. But when you will take the 3 bases, that is idea of duplet is 4 into 4 is equal to 16 amino acid only coded. 4 into 4. Let us see the code is triplet. The idea of the code is triplet given by John Gamow. The idea of code is triplet given by George Gamow. When the code is triplet, that means 3 bases codes 1 amino acid. Among the 20 amino acid is decoded, that is found in the protein. So let us see how you make the genetic code dictionary. Okay, when the code is triplet, that is given in the NCERT book. Okay, so you will make first, you will make this structure, and here You will write the first base, second base and third base. So here we will make a 4. Triplet means 4 into 4 into 4. Total 64. So again, how you will make the genetic code dictionary? So let us see how you will make. That is given in your NCERT book. Okay, and you can see this genetic code dictionary given on page number 112. So for the genetic code dictionary, you will put their first base U C A G. This is the first base sequence. Second base you will write there. Again same thing U C A G. In the third you will write all 4 together. Okay, all 4 together. Like that you will write U C A G. Again U C A G. Again U C A G. Okay. Again same thing U C A G. Like that you will write. Okay. U C A G. U C A G. Now here you will put the first U. This U. Okay, this you will write 4 times first, like that. See, for example, you have taken the first U, this U, again second U, like this, and third you will take from there, that is triple U. Okay, second you will write this U here. Two times together you can write this U and U. Again U and U. Again U and U. At last you will write U C A G. That is third combination. Second one you will take U C, U and C 4 times. Then U C A G. So U C. Again U C. Again U C. U C. Then you will write what? U C A G. Third combination. Third one you will take U and A 4 times. U A, U A, U A and U A. At last you will put what? U C A G. Next we will take U and G 4 times. U G, U G, U G, U G, and again U C A G. In the next one you will write CU 4 times. CU. Again CU. CU and CU. Then here we write UCA. UCAG. Now second one you will take double C here 4 times. Double C how many times? 4 times. Then UCAG. UCAG. Next one you will take C and A 4 times. C and A. So C A 4 times. C A, C A and C A. Again U C A G. U C A G. Now next one C and G 4 times. So C G. Again C G. C G. C G. Then U C A G. U C A G. Next one, you will take A and U 4 times. A, U. Again A, U. A, U. A, U. Then put this combination U, C, A, G. Next, A and C combination 4 times. A, C, A, C, A, C and A, C. Then U, C, A, G. Next one, you will take double A 4 times. A and A. So double A 4 times. Okay. Then again U, C, A and G. Next A and G 4 times. A, G, A, G. Sorry. A, G, A, G. Again A and G. Then the third base U, C, A, G. Next you will take G and U 4 times. G, U, G, U, G, U, G, U. Then put there U, C, A, G. You will put there UCAG. UCAG. Again, next one GC 4 times. GC 4 times, then UCAG. In the next one, you will take G and A 4 times. GA, and GA. Again, UCA and G. Then last one G and G, double G 4 times. Then last one UCA and G. Out there are how many total codons? 64. 4 into 4 into 4. The code is triplet. Out of 64, 61 codons are there, and 3 are called stop codon. Stop codon that do not code any amino acid. And these stop codons are UAA, UAG, and UGA. These 3 known as stop codon. This is stop codon. This is also stop codon. The remaining 61 codons and 3 are stop codon because they do not code any amino acid in the polypeptide chain, and they terminate the process of translation. Okay, so this is all about the genetic code dictionary. So with the help of genetic code dictionary, we can easily find out which codon codes which amino acid. It is given on your NCERT book, page number 112. Okay, now let us see the properties of genetic code. Properties of genetic code. The first one, the code is triplet. That means 3 bases code, 1 amino acid. The code is triplet. Properties of genetic code. First one is properties of genetic code. Properties of genetic code. Genetic code. Let us see. First one, the code is triplet. The code is triplet. It means that a group of 3 nitrogenous bases codes 1 amino acid. The code is triplet, and this idea of code is triplet was given by George Gamow. Second property is the code is degenerate. The code is degenerate. It means that sometimes a single amino acid coded by more than 1 codon. This property is known as the code is degenerate. For example, you can see the amino acid leucine coded by 4 codons. That is, the code is degenerate. What is the code is degenerate? Sometimes a single amino acid coded by more than 1 codon. This property is known as the code is degenerate. Exception, methionine, it has only 1 codon. Next one, the code is non-ambiguous or unambiguous. The code is non-ambiguous or unambiguous. Non-ambiguous. That means it is the reverse of the degenerate. Sometimes a single amino acid coded by only 1 codon. For example, methionine has only 1 codon, AUG. This property is known as the code is non-ambiguous or unambiguous. Next one, the code is comma-less. The code is comma-less. It means that there is no punctuation after writing the one after 1 codon. There is no comma. That means there is no punctuation. This property is known as the code is comma-less. Next one, the code is universal. That means the codons are universal from prokaryotes to eukaryotes. It will not change. For example, methionine, AUG codes methionine bacteria. It also codes methionine case of eukaryotes also. So the code is universal. The code is universal. Okay, so this is all about the various properties of genetic code and genetic code. Thank you.